How to change your Moneyline password. Changing your Moneyline password is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps to ensure your account stays secure. First things first, open up your Moneyline app. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon in bottom right corner. Over here, tap on it and go to the profile and scroll down the setting and tap on it. And over here, you can see an option for the change password. Simply tap on it. For the security region, you have to verify your current password. Simply enter your current password. And once done, tap on verify. Then after that, you will be asked to create a new password. Simply tap on the new password and create a new password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Use the combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Let me do mine. And also confirm your password down there. And after you fill all of them, simply tap on change password over here. That's it. You have successfully changed password on Moneyline app. Keeping your password updated regularly is a great way to protect your personal information. Now, when you try to log in, make sure you enter the password that you have set just now. So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.